Hey cookers! Today's bite-sized cook is breakfast for my wife Karin. It's such a joy to cook breakfast for her. When I told her bacon and eggs were on the menu, she was on the phone with her friend Annmarie, and Annmarie knows that I love to cook grits. She says, "Are you cooking grits too?" I hadn't planned on it, but grits it is, because I love grits. You gotta love grits. So first, you gotta have some bacon. So I always cut my bacon in half because I just find it easier to manage on the skillet like that. So when Karin has the day off, I love cooking breakfast for her. It's always a joy to sit on the front porch eating breakfast with her. We always put out some birdseed on the sidewalk, and the birds just fly right up and they eat their birdseed while we eat our breakfast. So I've got the water on for grits. It's boiling. You just need to add a little bit of salt. The key for smooth grits is that while you're adding the grits, you've got to stir it and just keep it stirring. If you pour it too fast, or if you stop stirring the grits, you'll get lumpy grits, and nobody wants lumpy grit. All right, so that bacon's looking just about right. I prefer my bacon a little chewy. Now I'm going to cook these eggs right in this bacon grease because, oh yeah, that tastes so good. Anybody say bacon? Bacon, bacon, bacon? So Karin likes her eggs over easy, and I prefer mine over medium. I've been eating grits since I was a kid. I love them pretty thick, lots of butter on them. So I usually add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to them, but I'm out of Parmesan right now, so this will be fine. And these look just about perfect. All right, so let's plate this up. We got grits and eggs and bacon. Got to have a little salt and pepper on my eggs, and a little bit of extra butter on my grits. And I can't forget the toast. I like Aldi Seedtastic toast. It's got a great texture to it. So we did an evaluation, a comparison on Aldi Seedtastic compared to Dave's Killer bread. You should check out the video. I'll have a little link at the top corner up there. Click on that, you'll see it. Karin, breakfast is ready. We're going out on the front porch to enjoy, and we have unsalted peanuts from Mrs. Nuts, our neighborhood squirrel who often joins us out there. All right, cookers, simple food, made with love. I hope this gives you some breakfast inspiration. Have fun.